Ultimate Lyte odor-free acrylic system. Just like any acrylic system, it is very important to get the correct liquid to powder ratio. This will ensure that you get the best bond to the natural nail and the strongest acrylic application. To achieve this, fully immerse your brush into the Ultimate Lyte odor-free liquid. Release any air bubbles that are trapped in the hairs. Then slide your brush against the dappen dish, the entire length of the hairs to pull off the liquid. Then flip the brush and slide only half the brush from the ferrule to about the middle. What you've done is left the liquid on only one side of the brush and near the tip of the brush. Now it's time to go into your powder. Dip your brush into the powder with the tip that now holds the right amount of liquid. To get the right amount of powder, you're going to stay in there longer than you would for any traditional monomer. Depending on the size of your brush and the amount of liquid in the hairs, you could be in the powder anywhere from 8 to 15 seconds. You will know that you have the right consistency as you place your ball on the form or nail. It should hold its shape and leave a little dimple where your brush was. It should be glossy and shiny, but not immediately self-level. If it immediately self-levels, then you've applied it too wet and it should be in the powder for longer. If it holds its shape but has a lot of loose powder on it, then it is too dry and you should stay in the powder less time. With practice, you will be able to see that your consistency is right or wrong before you even begin to pat your acrylic into place. Here is a ball that is perfect. Here is a ball that is too dry. Here is a ball that is too wet. For this demonstration, we are using a revelation tip. Be sure and follow the steps in sanitation and prep before proceeding to this application. First, apply your ball of Ultimate Lyte odor-free acrylic to the revelation tip. Once you drop your ball, it is very important to wipe your brush on a paper towel to clean the hairs. This will prevent the product from sticking to your brush as you spread the ball. Use your brush to perfect the shape of your free edge and smile line. Remember, your Ultimate Lyte odor-free acrylic will not cure until it goes into the UV light, so take the time to perfect your work with your brush and save time. Finish filing later. Once everything is applied, it is time to cure your nail for 3 minutes in a 9-watt UV light. Be advised your client might feel a warming sensation, otherwise known as an exothermic reaction, as the product cures within the first 30 seconds. Be sure to tell your client, if it gets too hot, just take your hand out of the light for a few seconds and it will stop immediately. Once your nail is comfortable again, you can put it back in the light. If you sculpt, you will need to remove the form and cure the underside of the nail. This is only necessary if you are sculpting with white powder. Place the nails back in the light for an additional 3 minutes. When the nail is cured, it will have a slight tacky layer to it. This is very quick and easy to remove with a 180 grit file. Simply work from right to left and gently roll the sticky layer off. The sticky layer makes the dust fall onto your table, which helps prevent inhaling of the dust. Once the sticky layer is gone, you can use your 180 grit file to fix any imperfections in your application, as well as shape your sidewalls and free edge. Finish filing over the nail with a buffer block or file buffer, and you're ready for your clear coat. Capping sealer and cuticle oil, finish off the odor-free acrylic just beautifully.